Naenda nse message ariko I'm going to read it. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I will say it clear. I will state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that is full. I've traveled each and every highway. And much more than this, I did it my way. Today, I speak on behalf of Joe's children. Papa and Mama had 4 children, but I would say that they have thousands that they were responsible for. Ku bantu babizi, hano mu rugo twayitaga Centre des Jeunes. Atari uko papa yari Minister of Youth, ariko ni no kuva kera muri Nigeria. We always had people at home. Cedric, Eric, Micheline, and I. But those are the 4 children. But Dad had gained another daughter who is called Cecile. And actually, in his phone, he had called Cecile Habineza. Actually, he had the thing of calling all our girlfriends Habinezas. It was a way to tell us that it's time to get married. Dad had 1,000 lives. And what I want to do is to describe the different aspects that many of you might not know. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this. I did it my way. Let's start with Dad, the brewer. Dad worked in Heineken and Bladirois. He was so loved in Nigeria that they used to call him a Nigerian born in Rwanda. One day, they had a strike, and they locked out all the expatriates from entering, except Dad. They said, "You are one of ours." He had a fake Nigerian accent. And I say fake because we all knew that that's not how Nigerians talk. But he ate all the local food and drank all the Nigerian drinks. So, I want to say, thank you to all the people that we lived with. Tonton Célestin, Papa Kevin, la famille de Papa Sabou, Mama Sabou, Lambert, Willy, Marcel, Tonton Marc, Papa Aimé, et Maman Annie. Thank you to Uncle Femi, Mrs. Ophelie, all the Nigerian Breweries family, Festus. Actually, Kubanu watari babizi, Dad is an ICT person. What are the odds? He should have been in sales from long ago, because his character was set up in a way that he was a great salesman. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I can chew, but through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and stood tall. Once again, I did it my way. Dad, the politician. So, Papa Ejemri Politique in 2004. It was on Mom's birthday. We were all seated celebrating Mom's birthday. And then all of a sudden, on the news, they show the Minister of Youth, Sports and Culture, Mr. Joseph Habineza. And we looked. That looked familiar. That sounds like a familiar name. But all of us were scared, like I've said, because Tantine Irene, Jonas, and Papa have one problem. They laugh too loud. And when they laugh, they put up their legs. And then they start pinching people. So when Dad became minister, we were scared. But at the first event, I remember, I don't know why I remember, he was to give a prize. And what he did, he just gave the prize and left. And we're like, Dad, that's not how they do it. You're supposed to stop there and take a picture. But a few months later, he was good with the flow. Because he started being himself. There was one time, somebody wrote an article in 2008, and he called it "A Nigger in the Cabinet." And then Dad comes and says, "What does that mean?" And then I'm like, Dad, it means you're cool. Ah, voilà. C'est ça. But when they called him nigga, he was happy. But ce qui a fait de papa un leader exceptionnel, ce n'était pas tous les projets qu'il a fait. Il en a fait beaucoup. Ce n'était pas qu'il a eu un impact sur beaucoup de gens. Ce n'était pas ça. Tout le monde peut le faire. Ce qu'il a fait, c'était un leader exceptionnel, c'est qu'il était humain. Tout le monde se voyait en papa. Tout le monde aimait papa, pas parce qu'ils avaient peur de lui, mais parce que en lui, ils pouvaient se voir. In a place aho nyumba kumi aba nk'umwami cyangwa akaba nk'Imana, Papa was humble. Papa picked every call. Yitabaga tuvugane, akitaba 0830, akitaba abantu bose. Ariko n'ikindi yafataga abantu bose neza. Niba mutabyemera, muzabaze abasekirite be, muzabaze abamukoreye mu rugo, atari n'abandi bo hanze, muzabaze abo mu rugo. Because one thing about him, he never took himself too seriously. He always said, take your job seriously, but don't take yourself too seriously. And for that, I would say on behalf of everyone, thank you. Because you gave us an example of what it means to truly be a servant leader. I would like to quote the Bible. In Philippians 2, it says, in your relationship with one another, have the same attitude that was in Christ Jesus. Though in very nature God, he did not take advantage of that, but rather he humbled himself. He became a servant. And that is what Dad was, a servant. He was available, inspiring, and most of all, humble and loving. I have loved, I have laughed, I have cried. I've had my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all of that. And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. Papa, famille, tumawahutu. Ikintu cya mbere navuga kuri papa, yakundaga mukecuru. Ku buryo niyo papa yabaga akoze ari gukora ikintu cyari cyo cyose, iyo mukecuru yamuhamagaraga yaragendaga. And n'ikindi papa yubahaga kandi akanakunda muzehe. Kera yaratubwiraga ngo ariko sha mwebwe mumeze neza, muraza mukicara mukaganira na muzehe nta n'ubwoba. Akatubwira stories ukuntu ngo kuri mariage yabo muzehe yababwiye ngo bajye kuryama kubera bari bafite gusenga the next day. Ariko beyond anything, he loved his siblings. Josephine, Jonas. Ubundi Jonas na papa ni chat et chien. Iyo bakundanye, ils sont ensemble. Ariko iyo banganye nabwo c'est la même chose. Tantine Irene, Dad's favorite dance partner. Kuva tukiri batoya, I was always surprised iyo papa yashaka kugira ngo yishimishe cyane cyangwa ngo abyine yahamagaraga Irene. And then weirdly enough, Tantine Irene na papa baricaraga ijoro ryose bakanywa bagaseka. And then Tantine Leokadi, every time he would talk about Tantine Leokadi, akavukunda ameze nka mukecuru. But they're the same character. Because she's too good. N'umwana mwiza. And then yarafite na bushye witwaga Nusiyata witabye Imana in 94. And then Jean-Paul yamwitaga twin. Yari imangaye. Impamvu nuko basaga cyane. Jean-Paul akiri umwana, akiri umujene yajyaga muri boîte akereka identity ya papa akanywera ubuntu. Ariko barakundanaga cyane. And then Yvette ariwe gucura nawe yari inshuti ye cyane. Ariko papa nyuma mbere yuko muzehe yitaba Imana yamugize chef de famille. Nka chef de famille, he took his job seriously and also not serious. Reka mbabwize ukuri. Ubundi iyo umukuru w'umuryango bagiye gutanga baje gusaba umugore cyangwa ikindi, abandi baba bari bicaye bibaza ese turavuga iki cyangwa bari kwitegura kugira ngo babahe bagiye gutanga umugeni. But he was always very happy when Yvette, Agnès, Charlotte got married. When others, for weddings, they're always worried about what they're going to say. Ariko papa buri kanya iyo twabaga tugiye muri mariage yabo ngabo navuze, papa ikintu yarari gukora yarari kunyohereza lyrics z'indirimbo turi buririmbe. Cyangwa gahamagara tantini Irene turinjirana niye ndirimbo. Kubwo bwa Yvette yaririmbye Stuck on You. Kubwa Agnes aririmba I Can Be Your Hero. Ariko lyrics zari zamunani aho ngaho. Kubwa Charlie aho yaravuze ngo aba ni mu barokore turirimbye bashaka kwirukana umwana wacu. So turirimba mbese urukundo rw'Imana. For what is a man, what has he got? If not himself, then he has not. To say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Joe, the family man. Imana ijya kurema, yararebye. Iravuga ngo ni gute narema abantu babiri batandukanye cyane, maze noneho mbashyire hamwe. Ubwo ni Mama Mapasa, Justine Kambonoro Kajyambere, na Joe Habineza. They are very, very different people. Tukiri abana twibazaga ariko se how did these people meet? Because they are both different. Kugira ngo mbere kukuntu batandukanye. One simple example, going to the airport. If it was up to mom, twarara kuri aeroporo tuzagenda ejo. Ariko papa we na rimwe papa yari aza on time. Ubundi papa aza ari uwanyuma bamuhamagara kugira ngo they board. Mr. Joe Habineza, please be on time for your flight. Dad was always late. Ariko burya mu bantu papa ntabwo yagiraga ubwoba. Ariko papa yatinyaga mama. Kubera papa niyo yazaga, papa rero hari igihe yabaga ari kumwe mama ukagira ngo n'umwana. Iyo yagiraga mu rugo ukabona ko yaje atinze. Nk'abana bose yitaga yikarama cyane kugira ngo mama atagira icyo mubaza. Akatagenda salut. Okay, bye. Akagenda. And finally, Papa Bonheur. Growing up, we had a problem of bearing Dad's name. It used to bring a lot of pressure. Ahantu hose ugiye, you could not be Jean-Michel, you could not be Eric, Cedric, or Micheline. You had to be Umuhungu wa Habineza. Depending. If it was good things, they would say Umuhungu wa Joe. But if they wanted to disturb you, Umuhungu wa Habineza. Growing up, we always saw Dad in the most relaxed way. Reka mbabwize ukuri. Warana n'abana bakubwira ngo iyo papa wabo yinjiye ngo bajya muri salute. Ariko papa iyo yinjiraga mu rugo nani twaraganiraga cyane. Icyo ngiye nkundira papa nuko kuva na kera yatwigishije. First of all, yabaye very relaxed with us. So what does it mean? Nukuvuga ngo twagiraga impaka na papa akakumva kandi akagusubiza. Il disait tu peux avoir toutes les pensées que tu veux, mais il faut que tu aies pensé à ça. Il ne va jamais s'imposer. Ariko icyo nakundiraga papa kurusha ibindi nuko nashatse ijambo muri comment dire mu Kinyarwanda za urubyiruko no rubizi memes. Nafataga ama video ya papa nkayagira blague nkayashyira abantu bakikanga ngo mashize ama video ya papa wawe. Ariko icyo batazi nuko nayashyiragaho papa nawe agaseka kubarusha. Me, I'm going to miss the greatest storyteller papa yagiraga stories uko mubibona kuri ama-interview cyangwa n'ahandi ariko mu rugo naho yagiraga stories burya mama niwe ujya uvuga ngo la belle bouche aravuga pe yagiraga stories and ama-histoire ye menshi nzayibuka quand j'étais ako karanshimishaga cyane cyangwa tugenda muri kera tukiri bato tuba muri Nigeria papa mu bintu byose yakoraga yagomba kutwemeza ukuntu yize mu Faransa donc iyo yabaga ari kumwe n'abantu b'Abafaransa agahindura accent. Alors Richard, on se joue un petit tennis. Ariko mu bintu byinshi akatubwira akatwereka non mais moi j'ai fait la France j'ai fait la France. Et puis kera twize ndangiza université urumva muzarebe story kuvuga ukuntu yagiye muri université muri Baltimore maze noneho akatubwira ukuntu ngo yavugaga ngo Baltimore abantu ntibabyumve ngo Baltimore ntibabyumve maze noneho ahita avuga ngo Baltimore ku buryo baje ndibuka ko baje muri graduation yanjye nazo ageze kuri aeroport ari kumwe n'abamishine atavuga ngo yeah we're going to Baltimore. Bishiraba c'est quoi? Ariko mu bintu nzakumburira papa ni ambiance yagiraga. Burya la chose qui était le plus dur c'est voir qu'il serait pas là au mariage de Cédric. Ça m'a fait mal. Ça m'a fait mal parce que il était très 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 content. Hari umushyitsi we bari kumwe au Nigeria aravuga ngo mu bintu yavugaga mu minsi ya nyuma yavugaga mariage ya Cédric. And it is sad that he will not be around. Parce que yeye navugaga ko mu Faransa burya hari abantu tugomba kujyana. Abantu twagomba kujyana que je voulais voir en France. Wa mbere yari papa, wa kabiri yari Tantop, na Tonto Pierrot. Impamvu nuko bakunda u Faransa pe. Donc Tonto Pierrot, il n'y a plus de choix. Donc si vous pensiez que vous allez ne pas être là, on sera ensemble en France. Mais ça a manqué papa qui dit pas moi j'ai moule frites, camembert, un peu de fromage. Mais ça va nous manquer. Mais une dernière chose que j'ai pas dit, c'est Joe inshuti ya bose. Papa yari inshuti ya bose. Bose. Burya, la chose qui était dure, c'est aujourd'hui, c'est voir Tonton Robert là-bas. Tonton Robert, c'était un ami à papa depuis très longtemps. Et puis, ils s'aimaient comme deux garçons. Parce que, Tonton Robert yazaga mu rugo bakaganira bakicara muri salo bakaryama muri salo ariko bagakomeza bakaganira. Kindi kintu navuga kuri papa, vous allez me pardonner. Ndavuga papa nta banga yagiraga. Ça veut dire quoi? Iyo twabaga dufite ikintu ntabwo twabibwiraga papa kubera yagiraga ugasanga yabivuze. Ariko kubera kutagira ibanga, je suis très heureux parce que yari yatubwiye gahunda ze. Tonton Robert papa yari yasabye ko nitujya gusaba Cédric ko ari we uzamusabira. Il a dit que comme vous étiez ensemble que vous avez dormi dans le même lit parce que Cédric était avec sa fiancée, c'est toi qui dois parler au mariage. Donc, Tonton Robert s'est déjà fait. Deuxièmement, il a dit qu'il avait déjà fini de book à Gisenyi, Inzozi Hotel, je pense. Donc, Gahunda na Hongaho. Je suis content que même le fait qu'il n'avait pas de secret, ça nous a aidés. Finalement, ce que je voudrais dire à tout le monde, Tonton Jonas. Bon, premièrement, Tonton Jonas, it's illegal to have 3 wives, so it's. But I like to say, Tonton Jonas Komera, être avec lui, c'était dur pour les derniers jours. Mais aussi, je voudrais dire à Eric, premièrement à Cédric, qui n'a pas pu venir, qu'on est ensemble, qu'on va faire une très grande fête l'année prochaine. On va célébrer ton mariage, même si tu te maries avant tes grands frères. Et puis, Cécile est déjà, papa l'avait déjà appelé Cécile Habineza, donc c'est déjà fini. On est très contents. L'année prochaine, on va faire une très grande fête. Et puis, à Micheline et à Eric, Eric, c'était le bodyguard de papa. Et puis aussi, c'était son pied. Donc, si on voulait dire quelque chose, on devait passer par Eric. Et ils savaient comment ils parlaient ensemble. Donc, à un moment aussi, bon, on est ensemble. Parce que tu n'as pas de choix, maintenant, c'est avec nous. Mais sois forte, soyez tous forts. Je suis sûr que papa, là où il est très heureux. Et finalement, je vais dire à papa, tu vas nous manquer. Tu vas nous manquer dans les fêtes. Tu vas nous manquer dans les mariages. Tu vas nous manquer dans tout, à la maison, dans tout. Tu vas nous manquer. Mais je suis sûr que déjà, là où tu es, que tu célèbres déjà avec tous tes amis. Salut Mouzé et Papa Richard et tous tes amis, Papa Ingui, Maman Ingui et tout le reste. Salut-le de notre part. Je suis sûr que vous avez déjà commencé à faire la fête et puis je suis très, très, très heureux. Merci beaucoup. Merci à tout le monde. Et puis, I will end it with saying, for what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has no doubt. To say the things he truly feels, and not the word of one who kneels. The record shows, I took the blows, and I did it my way. Merci, Papa, because you did it your way. Merci.